Weezy, you got anything to say for yourself?
You know I've been through the mud. I've seen some things that you did, but I don't wish hatred or disgust on anyone. So what I've learned to do is understand and learn from someone else's lesson or blessing. Run up my positions. I'm the type to go and get it. I ain't playing on no game. I'm just saying cause I live it. Gotta focus on my niches. Cause we don't want all my illest intentions. Cause that shit's sick. I've been praying for a minute. It's been harder than the names that's been written on the cement. Setting up false dreams and you wonder why I went and crossed the benches. Got the ball on the court, deflecting all the oppositions. I hear these people talking, where's the movement? Why I'm walking, cause I meant it, writing rhymes. My expression, fighting time and go against. Yeah, that's true. Self-expressing is definite. I'm often more into a man but the man. Before I meet the sands, I hope I got what God has granted. I'm paying taxes from a book of past actions. Turn the pages, I should just burn this book. But then I wouldn't have a chance to overlook the risks and damage it took for me to walk along the shores of a morgue. I'm well endorsed to draw more than these metaphors. Go against the force, hand the mind and pass the torch. On the porch, blowing flowers, looking downward, peeling packs and sipping yak, looking back. Yo, what's the reward? I'm at war myself, screaming for help. Mental health full of caution tape. Promise mama, I promise you wait for young WHEEZE, the deceived version of me to retreat. I left him deceased. Yo, RP the pain and misery. I know it misses me.